Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Bagamour Handbag subscription. Okay, so when we open the box, we see this pamphlet that tells us more about the items in the box. Now, Bagamour subscription is a quarterly subscription. It's my second time getting this. And if you get it annually, it's a lot cheaper as well. So let's see. So, every box for summer has these accessories in them. And then there's 3 different boxes that you can get. There's a classic there's a classic woman, these 2 bags. The boho chick woman, these 2 bags. And the everyday woman, these 2 bags. And then at the end here, they have this coupon code as well for $10 off, LOVE10, that you can use. Also, on their Instagram, they also have other discount codes that they post on there too. So that's that. Okay, let's begin. Okay. So let's begin with the accessories. Oops. Uh-oh. Okay. The first thing I see here are these sunglasses. Okay, let's read what it says about them. So, these are oversized statement glasses, and the color is tortoise, square shaped with gold tone metal accents, and they have 100% UV protection as well. So let's see. Okay, so this is what they look like. Oversized square tortoise sunglasses. Oops. Okay. Next item is this Thoughtful's pop open cards with hope. So it has different inspirational messages on there. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay. The next accessory is this roll-on perfume oil, and this is from Mixology mini rollerball perfume, and it's supposed to smell like pineapple, citrus, and coconut. So let's see. It's a roll-on like this. Okay, and there is one last accessory item, and it is this collapsible straw. It's portable, reusable, and helps minimize plastic waste and pollution. It's made from stainless steel, and I think it's great to travel with because it's compact. Let's see. Oops. Okay. So it's this yellow gold color. Okay. With this chain. This is what it looks like. It has this cleaner with it as well. And then you pull this out like that, and it's a straw. Oops. Like that. Okay. So it's great for travel, or just have it be compact. Okay. That was the last accessory. Now we're gonna move on to the bags. So there's always 2 bags every quarter per subscription. Okay. Let's see. And this is the bag. This is what it looks like. It has these wooden handles, this zipper. And let's see, it has a side pocket here. Oh, there's 2. There's another side pocket here. Okay, and then there's this golden chain. It's pretty. That you can add on. So this means that we can tell which subscription it is. It is the Everyday Women subscription because we got that bag. Because the next bag is found in all 3 subscriptions. Okay. Oops. Let's see what the other bag is. Okay, and this next bag is this golden tote, and this is the bag that's in all 3 subscriptions. This is what it looks like. And let's check out the inside. So the inside has this side pocket over here. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so these are the bags for this subscription. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye!